Today we're making Iskender Kebab, which is served in an iron skillet, preheated in the oven or grill. This dish is made of bread chunks soaked in tomato sauce and topped with pieces of grilled lamb and veal meat. It's a very old and authentic dish originating in the city of Bursa in Turkey.
Bursa.
I was born in Turkey and lived in an orphanage until the age of 8. That's when I left and started working in restaurants, first as a dishwasher until I became a chef. Years later, when I was working as a chef, I met an Israeli hotel manager who invited me to Israel to cook at his hotel. In 1994, I arrived, and from the beginning, everything went well. I never felt different or strange, even though I am Turkish and a Muslim. People accepted me here. Most of my knowledge comes from Turkish restaurants I worked in as a teenager. The seasoning, for example, is very authentic and is made of 7 different spices like black pepper, a spice similar to baharat, cinnamon, and others. You rub it on the meat the day before, and that helps keep it fresh. I opened my restaurant 5 years ago and named it Babajim, which means daddy in Turkish. I haven't seen my father for many years, and the yearning led me to choose this name, which is a constant reminder for me. I feel very much at home here. Turkish food is very Middle Eastern, and the flavors are familiar to Israelis. People love my food, and that is a great honor for me.